Hello, let's bake a cake today. In today's video, I am going to bake a birthday cake and you are going to learn English by listening and watching. This is called Comprehensible Input and it's the best way to learn a language. It is the natural way to learn a language. It is how you learned your mother tongue as a child. This weekend is a big weekend in my family. It is my husband's birthday, and it's my mum's birthday. So they share a birthday, the 7th of April. They have the same birthday. So I am going to make a birthday cake for both of them. It is also Easter weekend, Easter Sunday. So it is going to be an Easter birthday cake. So I'm going to make something like this, a chocolate log Easter cake with eggs, chocolate eggs and chocolate bunnies and chocolate on top. First, I will show you the ingredients that I'm using and then I'll show you the items or the things that I'm using. So in this chocolate log cake, first of all, self-raising flour, and very important. Then we have caster sugar for sweetness. Now, because it is a chocolate cake, cocoa powder and also melt a bit of chocolate. So dark chocolate and cocoa powder. I also am using vanilla extract, a bit of sunflower oil and butter. And then of course, eggs. 4 eggs, and I'm using the egg whites and the yolks in the middle. So that is all of the ingredients. Now I'm going to show you the equipment. So this is my baking corner. So here we have a mixer, that's my stand mixer. Then here we have the mixing bowls. Here is the whisk it all together. Here I have my measuring scales, and then also baking tin and the baking parchment. Let's get started. The eggs have been cracked and separated. So I separated the eggs, the egg whites, yolks. I need 50 grams of sugar. The eggs and sugar have been whisked together. I'm going to pour 2 tablespoons, a little bit of sunflower oil in and a small dash of vanilla extract. 50 grams of flour poured in. 15 grams of cocoa powder has been put in. And now we whisk it all together. I have whisked the egg whites and the sugar together and the chocolate mix. So now I'm going to fold this in here. The cake is in the oven, it is baking. I mixed everything together and now I need to wait 15 minutes. And now I need to make the icing. We have icing sugar, butter and the chocolate. So I'm melting the chocolate in the oven and then I'll melt the butter with the icing sugar and mix it together. Now I'm just going to wait and I will show you the cake when it is finished. And Bobby, are you excited for cake? Bobby is excited for cake. This is my Easter log cake. I put chocolate icing, mini eggs, and then chocolate to look like the log. I rolled the cake and it's like an Easter egg cake. And then I'm making another one, number 2, to put here. So it's going to be one big log, so I have more icing, and there's my finished product. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some English words and also maybe how to make an Easter chocolate log birthday cake. Lots of describing words there. I hope you have a lovely Easter. Happy Easter from here, and I'll see you later. Bye.